Today we are discussing about the how to merge and sort the user defined list. Please observe carefully. I will take two empty list. These are all empty list only. I will give input some size of elements. Enter size of element. We need one for loop for I in range n1. Then if you type the elements, we have to store into one variable. So I will take one variable here. Enter elements. We have an attribute is there to add the elements in a list. That attribute name called as a append. I will use here. We need to pass one argument. This is the stored variables and add into A1 list. Now just print that list. The list 1 is A1. We need to take one more variable I because we are entering to A2 list. Enter size of element 2. Take here 1. No need. Again we need to take one for loop. Up to n2. We need to store that elements in one variable same as n1. There is no much difference. Same as we have used attribute append a2 dot append yearly. We need to print this one. A2. Now add the elements A1 list under A2. If you add the two list into one list, that is a merging of elements. If you we have a one attribute is there to merge the elements in a list, that attribute name called as a extend. Please observe here, I will use here a1 dot extend of A2. This is the from. This is the to. A2 elements extend into A1. This is the merging process. Just print the merging list. Elements are now if we enter the any elements 10, 100, 150, 5000, 1000, there is no order. So if you want to order, we need to pass one attribute. That attribute name called as a sort. I will use here sort attribute. There are no need arguments. Finally, print the short list is A1. I will save this file. I saved already. Run this code. Please observe. Enter size of elements. How many elements you want? I want 5. Enter. 4, 1, 2, 78, 25. This is the list 1. This is the A1 list. Again enter size of elements. Again I want 6. Enter elements 1, 2, 4, 5, 9, 5, 6, 5, 1, 5, 3, 5. So the merging elements didn't come. Wait. Yeah, we don't print this value. Now will come. Observe. Enter size of elements 5, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3. This is the A1 list. Again 4, 5, 2, 8, 79. See here, this is the merging element. See 4, 5, 12, 2, 3, 5, 2, 79. This is the merging of extents. Now this is the short list. This is the start one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 8, 12. Okay friends, this is a code for how to merge and sort the user defined list. If you like this video, please subscribe and share this video. I will update more videos on Python. Thank you for watching.